Yes, today I'll be uh, giving an informative speech about the mRNA vaccines, and I hope that it will be informative and somehow useful. So this is a table of contents. So why is this important, and why am I introducing it, and what exactly is mRNA? Um, how does the original vaccine works, and how the mRNA vaccine works, and some minor issues and controversies about the new RNA type vaccines. So, why am I introducing this mRNA vaccine to you all? Like, why am I making a whole presentation about this? Um, I thought this new vaccine is very important. Because like we all know that there is corona right now, and it is infecting everyone, and that there is this new type of vaccine called the mRNA. And if this new type of vaccine was not useful and was bad and it wasn't effective, then it wouldn't really matter. But this new type vaccines have proven themselves to be very effective. Uh, we all know that Pfizer and Moderna are the companies that made them, and their vaccines have been proven to be more safer and more secure than other companies' vaccines, and this it's what gives them the value and what makes them important. Also, they were created during the early stages of the pandemic, and yeah, that's why I decided to choose this topic. And now let's get into the main part. So, what exactly is the mRNA? So, we are all humans and we need protein to function. Yeah, we need protein to actually do stuff. And this mRNA is like the guidebook to making the essential protein that our body needs. But I won't get too deep into it because this is a presentation about the vaccine, not the mRNA. And if I explain more, then it'll take ages. So I'll just move on to the next part, which is about the function of the old type vaccines. Um, so for the old vaccines, there were two types, which are the live type and the inactivated type. So for the live type, you actually put in live germs into your body, you inject them. But for the inactivated one, when the patient is ill or the virus is too strong, then you need to kill the germs a bit. So to make it less dangerous. And that's why you make inactivated vaccine and live vaccine. You have two of them. And yeah, that's how it works. So when you inject them into your body, then the immune system learns how to fight them off. And yeah, that's how it works. For the new type mRNA vaccines, it is very different. So uh, like, let me just explain how a virus spreads in your body. So when a COVID-19 comes into your body, uh, it injects its genetic information to one of the cells, which creates the mRNA, which creates the outer membrane, and then it starts to duplicate, and it gets massive, and that's how it spreads inside your body. And what this mRNA vaccine does is that it imitates the part where the virus creates the mRNA. So it imitates the way that the virus spreads, and it it leads it lures your body to create the antigen, which later fights off the virus when it enters your body. So uh like it lures your antigen and like the cytotoxic T cell, which are meant to fight off the virus and it comes into your body, and that's it, and they fight off the mRNA, which because they see the mRNA as something harmful, and they decided that they want to remove it, and then that's how it creates the antibody. So this is like a simple graph of how it works, and like it's like the same thing I said. So is mRNA good? It is good because it takes way less time to make the vaccine, because for the original one you grow the germs in the laboratory, but for this one you don't. It takes way less time. There are minor controversies about the new vaccine. So like the major issue is that, does it change my DNA? In short, no, it doesn't. Like it's like a lie when they say that it changes my DNA, and it doesn't really have any scientific evidence. Yeah, I guess that's it. Thank you for listening. Yeah, any questions or something? No? Then I guess that's it. Yeah,
Yeah.
thank you for listening.
Thank you, Sungbum. That was very informative, and I liked how you put in the table of contents, so it was easier to follow this time. And I could also tell that you put in the visual effects to help with your presentation. So very good job. I see lots of improvements since yesterday, so that's awesome. Does anyone have questions for Sungbum? Or any comments